Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. It's May end coming now and we are still under some sort of lockdown. Why I'm saying some sort of lockdown? Because most of the things are relaxed now, at least in Bangalore. That's the scenario. And hopefully everything will be normal very soon. Today I'm going to talk about a topic called self-introspect. Generally we don't do this, and that is very, very important these days. Because if we don't do self-introspection, okay, we lead to so much of confusion and weakness in our very close relationships. Now these relationships could be a relationship between husband and wife, relationship between parents and children, relationship between friends, and relationship at our professional background also within the teams. So self-introspection is something which is very, very important. Because if we do not do self-introspection, somehow we feel that we always get to feel that others are wrong and I am always right. That person is wrong, but I am always right. And this happens when we do not do self-introspection. And when we do not do self-introspection, what happens? Ego comes into us. And when ego comes into us, we start finding problems with others and we do not look within ourselves. And that's the challenge which we are facing these days. Now to support my fact, I have a very short story which I heard from someone and it really changed my life scenario. Story goes like this. There was one husband and wife. They were living for 30 years together, a very good life. And suddenly they felt that they are finding problems with each other. Husband thought that his wife cannot hear properly. So he called up the doctor. Doctor said, it's a lockdown time and I would not recommend that you coming to my clinic and I do the checkup for your wife. So why don't you do one thing? Why don't you try speaking to her from a different distances and then let me know whether she can hear or not, and then I can recommend the treatment for that. Husband said, fine, okay, let me not take a risk to come to your clinic during this lockdown period, so I'll do the way you have recommended. They had a very big house, so husband stood around 20 feet away from his wife and he asked her a very simple question, a typical question. My dear wife, what is there in the dinner today? What have you made in the dinner today? And there was no response from the wife. Then from 20 feet he came to 15 feet. He repeated the same question, what is there in the dinner today? And then still there was no response. From 15 feet he came to 10 feet, from 10 to 5 feet with the same question and there was no response. And he was sure that his wife cannot hear this. Then at the last step, he went very close to her and he whispered in her ears saying this, what is there in her dinner today? She said, my dear husband, you are asking me this question from last 5-6 times and I am telling you it's today Rajma Chawal. Why can't you hear that? And that was the moment when the husband realized that it is not that his wife is not speaking properly or his wife cannot hear properly. It is he himself who cannot hear properly. His wife was giving him the answer when he was talking from distance also, but he himself was not able to hear. So the moral or the learning from this story is, before we start finding out issues, errors in somebody else, we need to look within ourselves and we have to find whether we are good or not. There could be a chances that I am wrong. And the day we realize that, I think the improvement begins from there. We do not have to find bad in others, we have to find bad in ourselves. And finding bad in ourselves is not a problem. The problem is not seeing that a problem. And trust me, this is not a problem. This gives us a chance to do some self-improvement. And the day we do it, this happens. So my dear friends, let's cut down the ego. Now the ego, from the same story I learned, ego is edging the good out. So when we get ego within ourselves, we start edging the good out from others. So let's not get into this ego fight. Let's have a very good communication channel within all our relationships. Try finding bad in ourselves so that we can improve. I can become a better version of myself from what I was earlier and things will completely change. Let's use this lockdown period to do some self-introspection and improve as a person, improve as an individual, and trust me, all the relationships around you will be very, very good. You will start enjoying the relationships. This is a message which I wanted to convey today. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Be home. Be safe. Thank you.